Hey, it's eSchool Kiko 10 with you guys, and today I have this little product right here. This is the DualSense Charging Station for the PS5. I got it yesterday in the mail, and to be honest, at first I thought it was going to be the PS5 controller since I picked it up and it was kind of heavy, but it's this thing. So the controller hopefully comes tomorrow, and then we'll do an unboxing on that. But for now, we got the DualSense Charging Station, and it's, it's very simple, just to charge the controller. We got the little picture in the back. We got what it does: click, charge, play, charge 2 controllers, free up a USB port, so now you can charge it to any power outlet and you're good. The click in design, just put it on it like it shows on the picture. So it's pretty easy. Everything is like self-explained, like there's nothing extra to unbox here. So now let's begin. So let's begin to unbox this little thing. Let me check here. Oh shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit, I fucked up this box. So I already just cut this thing already. I already cut it, And let's check what's inside. I am bad with boxes. So this is what we get inside. Bam. So we got the little manual, the things nobody reads these days, just the wipes, right? So we could get out of the way. And we got the power connector. You see it? Typical PlayStation fashion, There we go. Put that on the side. You got the other extender, to connect it to. So there we go. And the main thing we are looking for here, it's get the thing open. Ta-da! Little tiny PS5 to charge your controller. Boom. So this is the things that come with it. That's it. There's 3 items and the manual. This is what comes with the thing. That's it. So I want to see it from all angles, See, I got a PS5 already. I got a PS5.
The comedy police. The joke's
Sony,
too funny.
It is. This is it. Not much to say, right? Just that it feels heavy. It was cool. I like the design. I'm gonna see if I can put a PS4 controller on it. See how it looks. This is how it looks with the PS4 controller on top of it. You can't charge it or anything. Just so you can see the size of it, This is it. So this is it. That's it for the unboxing of this video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if you appreciate this type of videos, because I know I suck at explaining stuff, but this is my first unboxing, so give me a little bit of slack, But overall, Nice product. Looks cool. See you guys on the next video. Bye.